Hey guys, we're going to talk about fractions today. Fractions are things that are all around us, believe it or not. In fact, they are even right here with my snack. I have some chocolate chips and cheese here. These chocolate chips, I have 8 of them. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, these ones are chocolate, and these ones are peanut butter chocolate chips. So if I look at my chocolate chips right now, I've got 4 here and 4 here, but I have 8 total. So 4 out of 8 of my chocolate chips are peanut butter, and 4 out of 8 are chocolate. That is the same thing as saying half of my chocolate chips are chocolate and half are peanut butter, because there's the same number in each one. So 4 eighths and 1 half, okay? Now I look at my cheese. Let's say I wanted to share my cheese with my kiddos, okay? That you can hear in the background. I'm gonna cut my cheese in half. Now I have 2 pieces, and the thing with fractions is they need to be equal pieces. Okay, so I have 2 half pieces that equals 1 whole. Now I'm gonna cut it again, make equal sized pieces, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4 pieces. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4 equals a whole, because fractions are less than a whole. Okay, so I've got whole. Now if I wanted to continue to cut and make equal pieces, I can cut again, cut each one of those again, and now I still have my whole cheese, but now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eighth pieces. So we have 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, and the 1/8 that she just ate. And now I'm sharing my cheese with her. So we talked about fractions with my snacks and how I shared 1/8 of my cheese with my kiddo. Now let's talk about fractions using a number line. If we have a number line from 0 to 1, if I cut it right in half, then this would be where 1/2 is on my number line. Now, I like to draw a little rectangle the same length as my number line above it to show 1/2 as a rectangle as well. If I want to show fractions that are equal to 1/2, the word that I could use is equivalent. Fractions that are equivalent to 1/2 means it would have to be at that same spot on a number line that's the same size. So I've made another number line that's the same size as this one, and this time I divided it into fourths. And to put my mark at the same spot, it would be 1/4, 2/4. So 2/4 is the exact same as 1/2. They are equivalent. If I want to show you one more, I have a number line that's the same length as the other two. This time I divided it into 6 pieces. So I have 1, 2, 3 sixths is the same as 2/4, which is the same as 1/2. All of these fractions are equivalent. Let's last talk about comparing fractions. When we compare fractions, we use greater than, less than, and equal to see which ones are bigger. So we've got this one right here. 3 are shaded out of 8 total. And right here we have 1 shaded out of 4 total. For me, it helps to see pictures. So drawing pictures is a good way to tell. If you don't want to draw circles, you can draw rectangles and split them so that you make sure they're the same size. And then show 3/8 on top. I know I made it really small. And then on bottom, we would show 1/4. And you can see that this shaded part is less than the shaded part on top. So I would say 3/8 is greater than 1/4. And to check it, to make sure that I am doing it right, I can do the butterfly check. So we check up. 4 times 3 is 12. 8 times 1 is 8. 12 is greater than 8, so I know I did it right.